Hello, everybody. This is a Lamley unboxing showcase. Call it whatever you want. This is the Hot Wheels Mix 3 mystery packs. Mattel sent these to me so I could do it for you. I thought it'd be kind of a fun video, and I actually got this box a few weeks ago and totally forgot about it. That's what happens when you're prepping for the Lamley Awards and you've piled up everything in your tiny little office. And that's what I've done. So I'm going to open up this. I'm going to show you the box, what it looks like inside. Kind of moving this back. Now, this is how they come. You've seen these on the shelves below the basic models on the pegs at Walmart. I believe these mystery models, at least in the United States, are Walmart exclusives. Let's pull this one out. It took a little damage. We'll move this out of the way so I can kind of show you what you're looking at. This is how you see them. Here, let me move the camera up. This is how you see them at Walmart, right? They cut this open. You can basically grab it. Theoretically what's supposed to happen is someone just grabs one, takes it home, opens up and see what they got. But we know that there are ways to figure out what they are. And knowing collectors, you just pop them open like this. We'll get to that in just a second. But these come in twos, right? So there's usually an A mix and a B mix. The only difference is that one of them, I think usually the A, has the #1 chase, and then both of them have assortment of the others. So there's only one in the actual master case. There's only one of the #1 chase. Then there will be two of the second and third chases, but there'll be one of each in this one and one of each in the other box. So we're just going to open one. We just got to figure out which one it is. And the little secret here is if you see unopened boxes, you know you're the first. If you open up the top here, there's always a letter. That says A. That's going to have the #1 chase, but let's get to that in a second. There is the art. I think if you open it up, you would see the others. Here are the models. I'll kind of open this here. So there will be multiples of all of these in each box. But when it comes to these mystery chases, the 55 Corvette and the Volkswagen Beetle will be one of each, and then the Bugatti Chiron, there's only one in the entire case, right? So one of these, two of these in a master case, and then multiples of the others. So I'm going to do it very blindly, but the other little secret, so you want to look for here, you want to look in that top flap. This is the A one. It should have the mystery car in here. Actually, I'm just going to do it this way so we can see it. The other thing you want to look for, if you're looking for the actual model, they're numbered, and I think this is not, you want to look right here. You'll see the code. That's the production code, R29, but there's the actual number of the model. So you want to have fun, just buy it and open it. I think they give you a little window, don't they, typically? Yeah, right here. You could use the window if you wanted. It comes with a sticker. You could do that, but we're not going to do that. We're just going to open up. We already know this is number 10, and then they're numbered, see? So we know that this will be the speed trap, right? But I think the more fun is we're just going to open these and go. So for the first one, throw the bag in there. Hot Wheels sticker, speed trap. Doesn't even show the model. I thought it used to. Throw that in there. And there is the model. I'm not going to show all of these. I'll show you the chases on the turntable, but there is the speed trap. Oh, that's embossed into this. It's so funny because these are castings I never pay attention to. All right, now let's just see. If we don't have every model in here, I'm not going to try and find them in the other one. So here's the sticker. Oh, we get a second speed trap. I have a feeling that we're not going to get every car in here, but as long as we get those first three. It's fun to do this blindly, but if I'm in the store I mean, look, for someone having the whole case, it's kind of weird to be opening up the same car over and over again. All right, here we go, something different. But, you know, if you're just grabbing a mystery model, it's the Faradox. There's a sticker, there's the wrapper. Here's the model. I remember when this was released, I think. And cool, I mean, creative, cool decos. This has an Egyptian theme to it, right? Is there something that, any connection here? I don't see a connection to some sort of Egyptian theme, but I saw cactuses on the art. but there's the Paradox. And I guess that's the name of it. I bet we're going to find more. Yep. These will all go into my pile of loose cars that I will donate. Can't donate them to the hospital. They need those cars packaged, but there's other places that you can donate these to. So I will find a use for them for sure. Do we get another Paradox? Yep. So my guess is we're going to have, what is Paradox? Number 9. So we're probably going to go down to maybe like number 5 here. If you're really, so 3 of each. If you really want to see the other ones, I don't know. I'm not going to do it. I don't think. Oh my gosh. 4. Maybe I will actually, because you can donate these, right? But man, maybe I want to donate them packaged. I'm really just trying to get to the Bugatti. I really hope it's in here. If not, we will open up the other one. Okay, is this going to be a Paradox or a Speed Trap or something new? Why don't we take out the sticker? Oh, Drift Rod, something new. Hooray. Plastic body, metal base, track car. Mr. Fuji. Mount Fuji. Mr. Fuji. Wasn't there a Mr. Fuji in WWF before it was WWF instead of WWE? I think there was. So yeah, the Mount Fuji deco in this one. So we got Egypt. So maybe we're doing a world traveler kind of vibe here. I think we're going to open up a few of these more of the Drift Rod. Let's see. Yep, Drift Rod. I would check the numbers here and kind of see if we're just going to keep opening up Drift Rods, but the fun here is opening them up blindly and seeing surprises. But man, it is so, aha, something new. There's only 2 of the Drift Rods. This is the Rise and Climb. Rise and Climb. HWC bicyclist bicycle theme. Obviously the bicycles on the back here, part of the interior. Tour de France, right? Is that France? Yeah, that's cool deco, right? That's cool. I like that. Not enough to keep it. Get another one of these. Yep. Still stuffing those wrappers in there. Well, we've had 4 of one, 3 of the others, 2 of the others. Oh, something new as well. All right, Mono Racer. Figure out Baja. So, yeah, there's your desert. Baja Adventures. So, Baja, California, right? So, probably the theme here. I don't even remember seeing this casting. I don't know if it's an old one or a new one. What's the year on that? 2015. Yeah, I don't remember it at all. All right. We're getting towards the bottom, so we might be pulling a chase at some point. Mono Racer again. Trying to be dramatic here. 2 of those. Monoposto, something new. Monoposto. Ooh, we got is that an error? Yeah. I mean, not a significant error, but just only a part of the wheel got colored. I'm sensing London. Yep, I saw the London outline there on the deco. And then we see the Union Jack, or kind of the Union Jack on the top, but the red, white, and blue of the Union Jack. Okay, there you go. Bet that's what this is too. Mono Racer again. So we get 3 of those so far. We'll see which ones we're missing. See if we're missing something really significant once we're done opening these up. 6 Mono Racer again. So now we're up to 4 of those. Monoposto. I feel like those guys, when you're doing the when you're scrolling on TikTok or something, and there's 2 of those now. Guys opening up all the baseball cards and stuff. All right. I will watch them for a minute, and I don't I know the athletes, but I don't know what's significant or not. But sometimes you'll just see a card and people go crazy, and I'm like, excuse me, I had to fight a sneeze. All right, and there's 3 of these. Which one's that? Monoposto. All right, how many we got left? Not too many. So I think I'm assuming my voice is very high right now because you guys are speeding through these till I find something cool. Purple Passion. All right, this is cool. An old classic. The Purple Passion. That's a cool deco on this guy. Jungle Cruise. I'm not seeing any reference to a particular country, but jungle, maybe like kind of a South American vibe here. Kind of cool. I like the color on that one, so let's see how many of those we pull. Or maybe I have to think we're going to get to the mysteries here pretty soon. Dropped it. And the car fell out. Thankfully, that wasn't one of the chase models, right? It was another Purple Passion. I'm seeing 2 left, so let's see what we've got in here. So we should have some mystery cars here. There we go. The number 2 chase, the 55 Corvette. Here, we'll put that sticker off to this, well, over here. Let's have a look at the model. Ooh, that's cool. That's clean. It's got the stripes on top. Obviously, it's in the art, right? But I love what they've done with the 5 spokes here, giving it the fat white walls. That looks really cool. This is a casting we've seen in premium and in basic, and that's not bad, I have to say. I'm trying to generate interest in the other models. This one, legitimately cool. There will only be one of those. I'm assuming this is either the... It's got to be one of the other chases. We'll find out. Sticker. Yep, Volkswagen Beetle. This is the number 3. So the Corvette was number 2. This is number 3. That has to be the Bugatti. So you can kind of see where it's placed. And look, I don't know if you can see. We know it's the Bugatti because the window... Can you see that? Maybe I can. The lighting is terrible, but the window, you can see the 16 right through the window. But let's look at the Volkswagen here. So we know we're good. Oh, this is clean too. What's the theme here? 24. Is that Nürburgring? German colors. Is that the Nürburgring there? I think it might be. That's nice. This Beetle we've seen, like it came in the basic range and then we just saw it. We've seen it over and over and over and over again in 9-packs, right? So nice to see it in a mystery model. And here is the one. This is one I want. This is, I've been looking for these and I have not found it using that little number thing. We already know what it is, but this is why. There it is, 2016 Bugatti Chiron. Put that sticker here, and here is the model. Now that is your winner. How about that? Kind of a gloss matte. Is there such a thing as a gloss matte black? I don't know. That looks really cool. Orange trim on the rims. Casting that, oh, that looks so cool from the front too. Casting that has not been done enough. It just, you know, we've had Zamac version. We had it in black, blue to start, then in black, Zamac. Then there was the 5-pack version, and this is, in fact, should I get all of them, at least the basic versions out real quick? Let's do that. All right, this car's had a decent run. There's your first version in dark blue with the silver trim. I think Rio Asada designed this one. Looks really good. There's first one. I'm going to move this kind of here. Second color, the second year was this in black, metal flake black. Very similar, obviously, front and side tampos on this one. So we had the metal flake black with the, what are those, J5 wheels. This is the most sought after one. I know there's premium. There's been 2 premium, right? But this Zamac with the red trim, just so cool. Just so cool. And that's been the most sought after one. I actually still think this is the coolest one. The light blue color with the white trim and the white rims was the one I've liked the best so far. And I think that remains, but now we finally have a fifth version, this mystery car, which is going to be hard to find. This might end up being the most sought after just because there's only one in these big master cases. I'd be surprised if there's one in the B case, but there's not. That's how they do it. Only one. So you guys tell me what you think. It's all about the Bugatti. The Corvette's cool, so is the Volkswagen. The other ones I could care less about. What did we not get here? Actually, we got them all, didn't we? Yeah. Purple Passion, Monoposto, Monte Racer, Rise and Climb, Drift Rod, Faradox, Speed Trap. So all of those will be in the other box. So will the Corvette, so will the Volkswagen, but no Bugatti. There you go. You guys tell me what you think. It's got to be about the Bugatti for me. You can tell me if there's something else that caught your attention. Thanks, everybody. Bye.